When you're working with SQL Server, it's possible that you are trying to copy the information from a very long field, and you notice that the value that you copied is truncated when you paste it. Okay. Uh, Now I'm going to simulate this behavior, and for this example, I have this table. This is API response table. It's going to simulate storing the information that an API returns. Okay, in this sentence, I have an insert, and it is going to insert a very long JSON. It is it's going to simulate that response with a list of books. Okay, and all the elements in this list are the same. Okay, they have an ID with the same value 0 and a title with the same value, my book. The exception is the last element that is going to have the ID 99. And we're going to check what's happening with when the value is truncated. Now I'm going to insert this record, and now I'm going to select the information from the table. Okay, select asterisk from API response. Okay, now this is my record. This is ID number 5, and I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, and as you can see, the value is truncated. Okay, I'm going to compare this with the original string. Okay, it was truncated in this position. Okay, if we check the position of the column is the 65,536. Okay, what's happening here? Okay, let's investigate using the lang function. Select lang JSON from API response. And let's check what is the value. Okay, response, forgot the end. Okay, and I have this line. Okay, 72,866, and this value corresponds to this line. Okay, 66 and 60. It means that my the value is stored completely. All the characters are stored, but when I copy paste, the value is truncated, and it happens because there is a limitation when you try to copy um, a very long string from the grid, and that limitation is this 65,536 by default. Okay, and how you can get uh, the rest of the string? Well, you can use just use the substring. Let me copy this using okay, this is the field, This is the position where the string was truncated, 65,536, and the length of the number of characters you're going to get, because that's the third parameter, is gonna be the length of the entire um, string minus that position where the value was truncated. And I'm going to execute this. Okay, going to copy and paste this here. And as you can see, it starts with the ITLE. And if I move that line, we are going to have the rest of the string. And we can check the end to verify the ID. And as you can see, that's the value. We have the uh, entire string. It's complete. And okay, I have an application that is uh, developed in .NET, and it establishes a connection with this table, and it gets the information from that field. Okay, so in the case when you try to get that information from that table, from that record, getting that JSON, um, that truncate behavior is not going to happen. Okay, and to demonstrate this, I'm gonna run this application. This is uh, an API, and it is going to connect or hit an endpoint that is getting the information from that table. So I'm going to execute this call. I'm going to refresh this first. Okay. I'm going to try out. And okay, as you can see, this is the record. And let's go to the end of the string value, and the string or the object with the value 9999 should be here. Okay, it is here, and as you can see, we got the entire string without that truncate behavior. So everything is working as we expect.